Hello guys, what's up? Welcome back to Crypto Prodigy YouTube channel, and in today's video we are talking about Shiba Inu token. In today's video, unfortunately, we have some bad news that I will talk about in today's video. We have some good news although, but some of them are kinda bad, and since I care about my community, although I like when the price is pumping, I want to share a bad news also as well. And currently we are trading at the 80 price, and it's currently not reflecting on the market right now, but it may be in the future. So if you want to see and check out what actually happened today and why am I not so happy, please make sure to watch this video till the end so you can fully understand what actually happened today. And also, if you're a member of a crypto community, make sure to smash that subscribe button, because we are currently so close to that 3k subs, and it would mean a world to me if you can press that subscribe button. And with that said, without further waiting, let's start with the news here. So basically on Shib Informer we have a new article, and actually it's a post from Discord. So returns this weekend will be delayed. A force major event will not allow us to proceed with the regular returns distribution process. Of course, this is not something we wanted, but we hope that community can understand. Please read and then comment. So let's read what they actually have said, and we'll comment on that a little bit later on. And also later on we will make a price prediction for Shiba Inu token and some price analysis in this video. So right here, Eric posted on the Discord, Shibarmy, as you know, our first goal when developing shibaswap was to create a secure platform where users could feel safe when doing transactions. One of the parts where we have paid more attention was the bury section. We launched shibaswap on the context where a lot of DEX were hacked and drained, so we decided to implement an offline multi-process which runs manually on distribution at the process lasts for the 14 to 16 hours throughout multiple systems. This process has some pros and cons, so this is the important part. The pros are it's 100% safe and it ensures no hacks or drains can happen. The cons, it requires time and the manual process run by actually one person. So this is kind of bad. I'm not sure why are they putting just one person to do this whole process in the team, but okay. Unfortunately, a dear member of our development team is dealing with an unforeseen family medical emergency, and we regret that we will have to postpone this weekend's scheduled reward distribution. So there you go. Basically, this week's redistribution for the rewards on shibaswap will be delayed because of such an unfortunate event. I hope that everyone from the SHIB team is doing well, but this is the most important thing, and of course they will be distributed, the rewards will be distributed in the next week, but for this week we will see no redistribution, which is kind of bad for its company. So basically shibaswap, we are currently at the 40 million, actually 400 million total value locked, and SHIB is currently trading at the 80, Leash is on almost 1000, and Bone is on $1.8. So there you go. This is the current state of a shibaswap. We will see how will these news reflect on the SHIB, Leash and Bone, as well as the price on the chart, but I hope it wouldn't be such a change, because I hope that we have such a strong community and that we can actually understand when the bad news like this happen. So one more thing before the price prediction, we have a price prediction from FX Street which kinda looks interesting, so I wanted to share that with you. Shiba Inu price forecast. SHIB plots a new opportunity, targets 35% gain. Shiba Inu price is 4.25 up this week after rising 15% last week, maintaining the upward trajectory as it consolidates the gains. The emergency cup handle base improves the probability that SHIB will resume the rally and test the previous suggested targets at 12 and 12.14. So there you go, these are their forecasts, and you can see right here that we actually have an upward trend right here forming up, and that we will probably rise in the price, which are the good news. And although I'm not always agreeing with the FX Street's post, this way I think they are correct. So the measured move of SHIB cup with a handle base as calculated from the handle high to the cup low is almost 36%, and it projects a Shiba Inu price target of 12. The target matches perfectly with the previous mentioned price of the May 24th high at the 12 and the May 20 high at the 12.14. To realize the 36% measured move, Shiba Inu price needs a few more days of consolidation above the 50-day SMA to create a better symmetry, which should include a daily SHIB close above the channel's upper line of 76. So I won't read the whole article, of course, but these are some important things to mention and what could you expect in the next pump that will come pretty soon. So if we actually go and check out the chart, on the 7-day chart right here, we have some kind of updates, and you can see that we actually have a steady rise right here. You can see that we actually had some major buyings and sell-offs, and we actually had some dips throughout the week, and next one is probably right now. So today is a Monday, and we will see actually what will happen, since tomorrow is expected that we could see probably the first small pump, which will continue into the steady rise and new support line forming of a 24 hours. So basically here on 1-day chart, you can see that we are going sideways, although we had a pump and we actually had a new dip here at the 17.8, and then we continue to go sideways throughout the day. And this is probably how the Shiba Inu will actually continue this day. We will go sideways for the most of it. So also one more thing that I don't actually like currently, besides the circulating supply that I am actually roasting in the every video, but okay, 24-hour volume is very low. I would not lie, this is, I would say, way too low for Shiba Inu and Shiba Inu swap together, because you can see here on the market that on 24-hour volume we actually don't have such a great changes, although literally every exchange fell under the 100 million cap. So basically Binance is doing 99 million, next is Lbank with 50, 37 on Hotbit, BV is doing 21, Huobi is doing 21, Binance is doing 17, Bitmart is doing 13. So basically Binance was almost at the 200 million. Few days ago Hotbit was on about 50 and Lbank was at, as far as I remember, it was close to 100 million, and volume wise we are going down. But you can see right here that if we check shibaswap, and this is kind of bad, we actually have 2.3 million only. This could be because of that effect that I have read to you from the Discord, and that situation that we couldn't manage, but this is the reason we are probably losing in the price. The basically best of all our community, shibarmy, is doing their swappings and listings on shibaswap, and 2.3 million is incredibly low, and it's very I would say bad for shibaswap. We are expecting at least 10 to 15 million each day of volume on shibaswap, and seeing 2.3 million is kinda bad. So there you go. Also for the price prediction right now, we will check out the graph right now, and you can see on the 7-day chart we are doing good, but is there really some new resistance level? So we actually have a support line forming. You can see the first dip here, second dip here, third was there, and you can see that we are basically following that support line for the majority of the 7-day and this week. So since today is a Sunday, I will also talk about the 7-day price, and currently we will expect some of the big pumps. So if you ask me, should you buy Shiba Inu token right now as a day trader, I would say definitely yes. Should you buy Shiba Inu token as a long-term holder? I would say also yes, because if you hold it for such a long time, you will see that actually graph is doing great long-term wise. Even though it's not looking right now because of its huge circulating supply, we are actually doing some awesome job right now. So there you go. And with that said, I would like to finish video right here. Let me know your questions and comments down below about current situation of Shiba Inu and Shiba Inu swap. Also, please make sure to be subscribed for the freshest news about Shiba Inu coin. And with that said, thank you guys for watching. I hope that you enjoyed. If you did, please make sure to leave a like and comment down below your opinion. And with that said, thank you for the all support, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a nice day and goodbye.